With summer fast approaching, it's really important to ensure that your marine engines in your boat are serviced and in excellent condition to ensure you the best chance of having a trouble-free boating season. At THT, we have our mobile teams who are able to come down to your boat and conduct routine services and full checkovers on your engine to make sure that they're running well. When we attend your boat, there's a lot of important things that we check as part of our full checkover. 3 of the important things we look at are in relation to the fuel system and the cooling system. We always come down and we check the condition of the sea strainer to make sure that there is no blockage in the sea strainer, so you're sucking ocean water in efficiently into your engine. The second thing we have a look at is we replace your impeller inside the engine. The seawater impeller is imperative that it's in good condition to ensure you've got ample flow of water through the engine to keep your engine cool to avoid it overheating. Over winter, if your engine hasn't been used, the fins on that rubber impeller can get bent over and locked into a bent position, meaning that they're not as efficient in regards to flowing the water and picking up the water and passing it through the engine. The third thing that's incredibly important is checking your fuel condition, because something like fuel bug and diesel bug and water that are sitting in your fuel tanks can have an incredibly dangerous effect on your engine if it's allowed to pass into your fuel system. So it's very important that we check your fuel condition as part of a pre-summer check to ensure you have the most reliable and enjoyable summer experience on the water. So please give us a call or an email at THT and we can book you in as soon as we can for your pre-summer service and full engine checkover to make sure your boating experience is as enjoyable as it possibly can be. Thanks for watching. I'm Josh from THT.